garlic, vinegar, and bread.
Put on a napkin.
Come on now, you can do this, girl.
I'm scared.
Hurry.
I'm not hurrying.
I'm not hurrying.
Here, let me see it.
I'm scared.
It's
Stir it.
garlic, vinegar, and bread.
We covered this.
Come on, Al.
Excuse me. I'm really scared.
Come on.
It's gonna hurt.
No.
After.
No. Go.
Go afterwards.